Good morning, students. Welcome back to the digital learning class. To the fourth standard social studies class. In this video, we will read the exercise of sixth lesson soil. First, we will read new words. First one is mixture, second one is decaying, third one is nutrient, fourth one is texture, fifth one is irrigation, sixth one capacity, seventh one maize, eighth one erosion, ninth one humus, 10th one organic. Now comes fill in the blanks. First one is dash soil is found in places receiving heavy rainfall. Answer is laterite soil. Laterite soil is found in the places receiving heavy rainfall. Second one, alluvial soil is not found in the dash. Answer is desert region. Alluvial soil is not found in the desert region. Third one, dash are grown in Kerala. Spices are grown in Kerala. Fourth one, tea and coffee are grown in dash. Answer is Sikkim. Fourth one, tea and coffee are grown in Sikkim. Now comes tick the correct statement. First one, the formation of soil takes place over a long period of time. Answer true. Second one, black soil is mostly found in the Deccan Plateau region. Answer is true. Third one, mountain soil is generally found on hill slopes covered with forest. Answer true. Fourth one, rice grows well in desert soil. Answer false. Fifth one, soil can be enriched by adding manure to it. Answer true. Now comes question answers. First one is, what is soil made up of? Answer, soil is made up of a mixture of fine particles of mud, rocks and humus. Second one, how is soil formed? Answer, soil is formed when huge rocks on the earth breaks due to the intense heat of the sun, strong winds and rain, along with decaying of animals and plants waste. Third one, why do we need to enrich soil? Answer, soil contains humus which supplies minerals to the plant. As the number of plants grown keeps increasing, the mineral content of soil is decreases. So we need enrichment of soil. Fourth one, states three ways to prevent soil erosion. Answer, three ways to prevent soil erosion are, first one, we should plant more trees. Second one, we should follow farming methods like terrace farming, contour farming, etc. Third one, we should use organic manure. Fifth one, which states are called wheat bowl of India? Why? Answer, Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh with rich alluvial soil and good irrigation facilities produce large quantities of wheat and together called wheat bowl of India. Sixth one, which states are called rice bowl of India? Why? Several rivers irrigate coastal plains and deltas of the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers in peninsular India, which are rich in alluvial soil. Hence, rice is largely cultivated in these areas in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, West Bengal, Assam and Bihar. These states are called the rice bowl of India. Seventh one, what is terrace farming? How is it important? Answer, terrace farming method uses steps cut into the side of hill to grow crops. When it rains, the rich soil does not get washed away with the flow of water, but it carried down to the next level. Thus, terrace farming prevents soil erosion. Name the followings. Crops grown in black soil. Answer: cotton, wheat, millets, sugarcane, tobacco, chili, and oilseeds. Second one, crops grown in red soil. Answer: red gram, Bengal gram, green gram, groundnuts, and castor seeds. Third one, crops grown in desert soil. Answer: date, gram, barley, maize, and millets. Fourth one, crops grown in alluvial soil. Answer: rice, sugarcane, banana, maize, wheat, jute, pulses, oilseeds, etc. So students, thank you. Have a nice day.